Hello, today we're going to be going over USACO 2020 December Contest Bronze Problem Number 1. Do you know your ABCs? So once you read through the problem, you can see that it does use standard input and output, and the input is one line of 7 integers, and the output is A, B, and C separated by spaces. The problem also gives us some important hints, like that A is less than or equal to B and B is less than or equal to C, and that the 7 integers in the input are in no particular order: A, B, C, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, and A plus B plus C. And A is actually going to be represented by the smallest number in the input because A is less than both B and C, and any number added to A is going to be greater than A. Using the same logic, we can also say that B is going to be the second smallest number in the input. And since we know both A and B, we can use A plus B plus C, or the largest number in the input, to find the value of C. So keeping this in mind, I've already created my class and my main method, as well as imported my java.util.star. And I'm first going to create my scanner to take in my inputs. And since this is in standard input, I'm going to use system.in. And to solve this problem, I'm going to create 3 different integer variables, A, B, and C. And I'm also going to create an integer array that represents the input. And since there are 7 integers, this array is going to be 7, or it's going to have a length of 7. And to initialize the values in the array, I'm going to create a for loop, iterate 7 times. Each value of the array at index I is going to be equal to the next integer. So basically, this is just going to copy all these values here and create an array from it. So we have our array all set up, and we can just use the arrays.sort to sort our array from the smallest number to the largest number. So the numbers are going to be increasing. And so, of course, A is going to be the smallest number. So the element at index 0, B is going to be the element at index 1. And C, remember how we need to use A plus B plus C to find the value of C? Well, A plus B plus C is going to be the largest number in the input, and that is going to be represented by the element at index 6. And then we need to subtract A and B from this. And that's basically it. We have the value of A, B, and C, and now all we need to do is print this out, separated by spaces, of course. And when we try this code, and submit our solution, all test cases were submitted and they're all green, and that means we passed each test case and we solved this problem. Thank you so much.